Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets, they are all looking good. Though tariff war is going on one side, the markets are just ignoring and the markets are trading closer to all-time high. Yesterday also the US markets closed higher, but however, after the market hours, Google has come out with results. I think the results were not good. Google is down nearly 9%. And of course, that stock has moved higher recently. So yesterday it closed, I think, at all-time high. Now it is down about 9%. So because of that, US futures are slightly lower. But that is just stock-related news. Otherwise, the Asian markets are also higher. The GIFT Nifty indicating about 50-point gap up opening for our market. So yesterday evening, I told you that technically Nifty is becoming long. So therefore, the probability of market going higher is high. But at the same time, it's not a good idea just to go long immediately. So taking this undercurrent as positive, so we might look for buying opportunity at lower levels. There might be some intraday, a dip and this and that. So in the month of January, FIAs were net buyers just only for one trading session. And then the remaining all trading sessions in January, FIAs were net sellers. The same way, now in February, yesterday, first time FIAs were net buyers. Now the big question is that, are they going to buy continuously, or it's just like January, it's just only one day affair? That's number one. Number two, on the way down, the domestic institutions keep supporting the markets, and they were pumping in thousands and thousands of crores. So even in case of FIAs start buying, so the domestic institutions may start selling. And in fact, yesterday that's what has happened. When FIAs were net buyers, the domestic institutions have sold more than what FIAs have bought. So therefore, it's not going to be, even if technically markets are bullish, so it's not going to be one way up. But however, the people are betting that the RBI will reduce interest rate at least by 25 basis points. So I think probably that due to that expectation only, yesterday the banking stocks have shot up like anything. So probably they might be like some people might be having some insider information. So regarding the RBI rate cut. So looks like, it's quite possible RBI may cut rate by 25 basis point. So in that case, Nifty can cross 24,000 easily. Now the Nifty is already about 800, 900 points above the recent low. So that's already a decent recovery. So markets can continue to recover, and I think the target will be 24,800. Right? So that was the earlier high before the reversal. So that possibility is very, very high. So it is time to be slightly bullish. So this is not time to short the market actually. So anyway, for the time being, 23,500 to 24,000 will be the range for this week. That means for today and tomorrow. Then we will decide after the RBI policy. Looking at the open interest also, yesterday there was a huge unwinding in call options, because the market shot up like anything. So then there was a huge addition of open interest at 23,500. So right now, the highest open interest is at 23,500 on the downside, and among the calls, 24,000 call as the highest open interest. Right. Sometimes, So this highest open interest will be broken to scare the option sellers. But I don't think today or tomorrow 24,000 will be taken out. So those who sold 24,000 call should be safe, but market is market. So yesterday, who would have expected the kind of tariff war going on in the global markets? Who would have expected Nifty to shoot up 400 points yesterday? Nobody would have thought. Would have thought Bank Nifty shooting up 1,000 points. Nobody would have thought. So, always expect the unexpected. So that is a rule in stock market. So, but anyway, so we are hoping that Nifty will take support around 23,500 on the downside, resistance around 24,000. So that is how most of the traders have positioned their positions. So otherwise, there is nothing much to talk because the corporate results are coming to an end, right? And usual first week data points, manufacturing PMI, services PMI, US monthly jobs data. So those data things will come, but our market will focus more on RBI policy. So yesterday I told you that technically Nifty is long, okay, but there's a funny thing. Nifty was long, but not the Nifty future, and Nifty was long, but not the Bank Nifty. But with the 40-50 point gap up today, if this gap sustains, and then so the Bank Nifty will also become long, and then Nifty future will also become long. So let us hope that this market recovery sustains. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.